It's day 30 of quarantine, and yes, I have not seen a human or a mailman in about, well, 30 days now. I started barking at the wind. I know that wind is not like well, it's not, nothing's there, but you know, you gotta bark at what you can bark at while you can, right? I miss my kibble, even though I eat it every day still. You know, my master, he's cool. He doesn't leave the house now, so I can't really get away with pooping in his room as much. Still do it though. It's the little things in life to keep you happy, you know. Gotta stay happy. Sometimes I just stare out the window for hours, just looking for a mailman. You know, something, anything. You know, another little dog that I can just bark at for hours and hours and hours. You can only run around in the backyard so many times. I just love it. Hey, Corona! Am I right? I mean, I guess some people are allowed to go for walks, so that's like entertaining sometimes. But it doesn't happen often with this quarantine. I just wanted just one bark, just one little anything. Come on. I thought, you know, everyone talks about social distancing being really heavy and hard on the human, but no one thinks about Fido. No one thinks about Fido. Not a single. No one thinks about Fido at all. And I just want to. Sometimes I just want to bark, man. You know, just want to. You know. Day 30. Dog with a vlog. It's like that Disney show. I learned how to use a camera because I'm so bored. And I only have pause. I can't even I shouldn't be able to use this. I shouldn't be able to film right now. It's rough. I can't do it for much longer. I swear I need to see. Is that a mailman? No, it was just the wind. It was just. Okay. All right. Well, this is Fido out. Ruff.